A great perfume does not only smell good when you apply it, it should still leave a pleasant, impression hours after you have used it. This is what we should aim for. You are welcome, guys, to this new video. I want you to sit tight and follow me as I give you 7 tips on how to make your oil perfume last longer. Tip number 1. As a producer of oil perfume, this video is meant for both producers and consumers of fragrances. So number 1 I want to talk about is, as a producer, use quality fragrance. Use high quality fragrance. If you use high quality fragrance, you are going to have high quality product that will last long. Perfume that will leave lasting effect is what we are focusing on today. So use high quality fragrance oils. Now, there are many examples of high quality fragrance oil that you can go for, but I just want to give you a few examples. Now, you can go for Sure Man, you can go for Pure Seduction, you can go for Passion, you can go for Temptation, your Enchanter, you can go for Sugar Baby. There are many of them that are of high quality. I know they are more expensive when you went to the shop to buy the oils, but when people know you that your quality is high, they will pay for that, because quality is what is remembered long after the price has been forgotten. So go for high quality fragrance. That is one of the secrets to a lasting effect of oil perfume. Tip number 2. Use the right amount of fixatives. Now, fixatives are those things that you add to oil perfume that will prevent it from evaporating as fast as possible. You understand? When you add them to the oil perfume, number 1, they will allow it to flow freely, and number 2, they will prevent it from evaporating out immediately. Now, good examples are ethanol, propylene glycol, or IPM. Use it in the right proportion, and that is why I take training to teach everybody that is interested on how to blend oil perfume that will last. You understand? You don't just add it like, okay, I can just pour this or just put. No, it has to be in the right proportion. So if you are interested in training, you can comment below this video and let me know that you want to learn how to blend like a pro. So you put it in the right proportion if you don't want your oil perfume to be evaporating anyhow, and the fragrance, you want the effect to last. So you put it in the right proportion, and that is something you have to learn how to do. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 on how to make your oil perfume last longer is, you have to apply your oil perfume, to your pulse points. People don't know how to use perfume, and this oil perfume it lasts very well if you put it at a pulse points. Where are your pulse points? Your pulse points are your wrist, your neck, behind your ear, now inside your elbow. All right, these are the pulse points. So you apply it in those places, and as you move about doing your work, you generate heat a little, and then it will be diffusing gradually, not just any part of your body. So that is point number 3. Now let's go to the next one. For your oil perfume to last very well, point number 4, you have to moisturize your body first. Of course, normally after having your bath, you have used your moisturizer, you have used your cream and whatever before you apply perfume, so that the perfume will not be absorbed directly immediately into your skin. Do you understand? So you moisturize first, then you apply your perfume. That is another secret to making your oil perfume fragrance last longer. You use some oil perfume like this, You use them and it will be on you for the whole day. It will be on you for the whole day. That is value for money. And everyone is looking for such perfume that will last the whole day. Because even when people are forgotten about how much they paid for it, the effect remains with them. And that is our goal. Now let's go to the next point. Number 5 is avoid rubbing after application. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. You know, some people, after applying their oil perf, they now just do it like this, okay? And the next thing is they want to rub like this. No, avoid rubbing like this after application. Apply it and leave it there. When you rub, you are spreading the surface area, and the evaporation is going to be faster because you have spread the surface area. So just apply and leave it there. Do not rub. That is tip number 5. Do not rub. And straight away, let's go to how you preserve your oil perfume. Now, if your oil perfume came with a carton, that is tip number 6. After using, remove it from where the rays of light can reach it. Remove it from where the temperature is high. Put it back inside the carton and keep it in your wardrobe or your shelf, away from the rays of the light. Now, when light rays are on the bottle and the heat is there, these all work to alter the nature of the components of your oil perfume, and that will disorganize the function. So keep it in a dry, cool place. That is number 6. And lastly, this one is for producers. When you produce oil perfume, I'm giving you this tip for free. Leave it time to mature, or leave it time to cure. When you finish producing, give it some time so that all the ingredients can mix up properly and get ready to deliver the essence to you before you package. Don't be in this fast food generation where everything is just quick, let's go and sell. No, give it time. You want to produce oil perfume that will have lasting effect, that customers will keep asking for. Give it time to cure. That is 7 tips that will make your oil perfume to last longer. Thank you guys for following me to this point. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share to your friends, and then please drop your comment below. I really love to hear from you. Where are you watching from? What are the tips that you really learned from this video? I know you may know some of these tips, but which one exactly really touched you in this video? Comment it below. And if you are interested in starting a small scale business, then watch out for our Saturday series by 4 p.m. every Saturday. And every Monday, just like you are seeing this one, you will be seeing tips on how to maximize your oil perfume business. God bless you and welcome again to Unique Home Solutions and More. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next episode.